Welcome to Finixel B2B ecosystem, the global marketplace to enable SMEs get long-term business from global customers in engineering vertical. In this video, we will demonstrate how Finixel B2B ecosystem helps SMEs, startups and service providers get long-term business. How does Finixel B2B ecosystem help SMEs? John is an enterprising SME and wants to make parts for automotive OEMs and Tier 1 companies. An OEM supply gives John a recurring business spanning more than 1 year and a sustainable revenue stream. John is aware there are too many automotive regulations and standards and systems to be followed. John does not know where to start and is looking for a reliable partner who can guide him in the entire process. John enrolls in Finixel B2B ecosystem as a supplier and joins basic, silver, gold or platinum plan based on his needs. Finixel B2B offers lot of benefits to John based on the plan he has enrolled. Finixel qualifies John to get long-term business. Finixel follows a rigorous 4-step process to qualify suppliers, which is enroll, assess, implement, and qualify. Finixel does focused business development for John in 4 ways. First is leveraging contacts, second through the Finixel B2B platform, third digital marketing and fourth using lead generation apps. Finixel offers working capital support to John through its partners and also implements systems required for long-term business like lean or business excellence. Now let us see how Finixel B2B ecosystem helps customers. Customers can share their request for quotations, RFQs, and drawings in a secure way. We store the drawings in a secure Dropbox which is access controlled and has end-to-end encryption. We share the drawings only with suppliers who have signed a non-disclosure agreement with us. We do algorithmic matching of RFQ with the right suppliers using our qualified supplier database. We use digital technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning and predictive analytics to improve the matching accuracy. We use Industrial Internet of Things, (IA) to monitor the production processes and quality processes to give confidence to the customers on a real-time basis. We give real-time logistics visibility of the parts and use robotic process automation using conversational bots to track and trace the parts. Finixel is a B2B platform with strong curation for suppliers and customers. The order fulfillment process requires an ecosystem of partners for financial intermediaries, logistics, information technology, experts and startups and provides them long-term and sustainable business. Please enroll in www.finixel.com and grow your business exponentially. You can also contact us by email or by phone. Thanks for watching.